Hi everyone, today we're going to go over the Celectigo sink sprayer head. It comes in two different styles and we're going to go over putting it together. Right, so you have two options of either the nickel or the chrome finish, and then also you will get a washer, a sheet, an O-ring, and a metal clip. When you're ready to install your sink sprayer head, what you want to do is get your sink tube. We've removed it to make it easier to install. The sprayer head unscrews at the bottom. So your first step will be to put the O-ring that comes inside your package on the first groove of your tubing. Pull the O-ring down to the first groove. Next step is putting the bottom cap over the O-ring. Now you want to place your metal clip in the next groove. And then the next piece you're going to put on is your sheet. And then you're going to put your washer. Your washer will fit into the last groove. Now everything is fit in their grooves. Last step is just to screw on the spray head. And you want to make sure that's on nice and tight. Now that we have the spray head put together, we're going to attach the hose to your kitchen tap. You want to attach your hose to your water valve. And as another helpful tip and reminder, please make sure that you put the sink sprayer head together with the hose before you attach it to the faucet. And that's how you put together the Celectigo sink sprayer head and be ready to go.